this video we are going to learn that how to delete a YouTube channel. First of all, open your internet browser. From the upper right hand corner, click on the Google Apps and open the YouTube. Again, on the upper right hand corner, click on the channel logo and open the settings. In the settings, click on the advanced settings. For the purpose of deletion of the channel, click on the delete channel. Here you have to enter your Google account password and click on next. Now there are two options available. The first one is I want to hide my channel and the second one is I want to permanently delete my content. In my channel there is a separate video available about how to hide a YouTube channel. Here we are going to delete our channel, so I will go with second option. Here the YouTube is intimating you that what will be permanently deleted. If you are okay with these conditions, click on the check boxes and click on delete my content. Here once again you are being intimated that your all contents will be deleted. Here YouTube is confirming once again by asking to type your email address. Here enter that email on which this channel was created. Now click on delete my content. Now your channel is in deletion process. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this take a few minutes but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. Thank you for watching the complete video. Goodbye. Take care.